name is Kay from Mifflin County Library. Hope you're having a great day. I have a STEM activity for us to try today. I will tell you this activity is going to be a little messy, be a little wet. So you might want to do it outside, or I have a nice little box here to keep all the wet inside of if you want to do it in the house. Just make sure you talk to your parents and make sure that it's okay. But most of this stuff you're going to have at your house anyway. We're going to need a tissue. We're going to need a half cup and a quarter cup measuring cups. We're also going to need a tablespoon. We're going to need a little food coloring. This is just for color. You don't need to have it, so you can do it with plain water, but I'm just going to use a little food coloring so it's easier for you to see. We're going to need plastic bags, and you need to make sure that these have the zipper on top so that they get closed nice and tight. We're going to need some baking soda. We're going to need some vinegar, and we're going to need some water. Let's get started. We're going to explode this bag. We did this at summer reading program a few years ago, and we made exploding Yodas. So we used some green food coloring for inside, and we made little Yoda faces on the front. You can do that if you'd like to have a little extra fun, or you can do it with just plain Baggies like I'm doing today. We're going to start with our baking soda and the tissue. You need the tissue, and you're going to measure 3 tablespoons of baking soda into the center of the tissue. You don't have to be real precise, but it gives you practice at measuring. 1, 2, 3. And then we're just going to fold this tissue up into a little packet. So fold over both sides and then fold over the ends and make a little package. And we're just going to leave that here for just a moment while we get our liquids ready. We're going to take one of our baggies and we're going to move over to our bucket here, to our bin, so we don't get everything messy. You can ask for a grown-up to help you with this so that it doesn't get spilled everywhere. We're going to start with a quarter cup of water. And just put that right in the baggie. Then we need a half a cup of the vinegar. Oh, used up all my vinegar. Put that inside the baggie as well. And I'm going to add a few drops of the food coloring. Okay, so we're just going to take our little pouch of baking soda, and I have my bag started at one side so there's not too much to zipper. We're just going to open and drop it in, and we need to get that little, there we go, out of the way. Oh, and you can see, oh, popped already. That tissue gets wet with the baking soda and it begins to mix with the vinegar. And the bag starts to fill up with carbon dioxide. And when the carbon dioxide builds up that pressure inside the bag, it pushes it till it pops and it explodes. Did you hear that little pop in there? And then our mess just gets everywhere. That's the reason you should do it outside or in a container. I hope you have fun trying this. I hope it works just the way it's supposed to for you. And I would love to see your videos if you want to send them into the library. Thanks so much. Have a great day.